Right, good day, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, whoever's listening. Good day to you. Right, so we're going to firstly view this now. It's very, very easy. So, there's a step-by-step way to show you. It's a bit long, but it is definitely necessary to do these. Okay, so let's begin. Let's jump directly into the calculation and let's go for it. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna arrange it, the fractions in a descending order. Okay, so what does descending mean? Descending means if there was an aeroplane, right? There is an aeroplane. So that's the aeroplane. Okay, we just make it a ball, right? And it's descending. It goes down. Nay. So this means from the biggest fraction to the lowest fraction. Okay, very easy. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing you see, these ones is not this. It's not the same. None of them are. Okay. So you can't say which one is biggest by just looking at it. So you first have to make the fractions the same at the bottom. So you first have to get the LCD. How do we get LCD? This is how. Okay, so we say, right, we take this one, multiples of 2. This is multiples of 2. And then multiples of 12. So I'm just going to write it for now down. Multiples of 12. Then the next one will be multiples of 4. And multiples of 6. Okay, so this is where I got the multiples. 6. So let's just begin from the beginning. Multiples of 2, 12, 4, and 6. Okay, so this is the first step to success. Okay, let's continue. So multiples of 2. So this is the 2 times table, you have to know. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, and then we say the multiples of 12. This will be 12, 24, 36, 48. I believe this will be enough. Okay, 60. Next up will be okay. M4 shows multiples of 4, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. Okay, and then M multiples of 6, so it will be 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay, so you would have already noticed the LCD, but I just kept going for the other people who didn't see it. Okay, so then we use some color. Right, so which one is the same in this? Okay, the smallest. Okay, let's say this, the easiest way so you can understand it. Which number shows up in each of the multiples that we just did? So in this case, there's a 12, and there's a 12, and there's a 12, and there is also a 12. Okay, So this is the LCD. Right, so it's very easy if you just follow these steps. Okay, this will take time, but if you can't do this fast enough, it means you don't know your timetables. Okay, so you have to go study them, right, like real hard. You're grade 6 now. Grade 7 is just gonna get rougher. If you don't know your timetables, it's just gonna get badder. Okay, worst. Okay, let's go on. So LCD. Alright, so this is we're done with this part now. Now we see we have to take each one of these to 12. Okay, so the first step you're gonna have to go. You're gonna say okay. 1 over 2. So then you say, okay, we're doing the multiples of 2. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So we say, okay, easy. Times with 6. What you do at the bottom, you do at the top now. Times with 6. Then we say, next fraction will be 5 over 12. Okay. So then we say, okay, times of what? 1. You see, there's only 1. So times it with 1. Okay. Next one will be 3 over 4. Okay, 3 over 4, there we go. In multiples of 4, so say 1, 2, 3. So times it with 3. Times it with 3. And then we say, okay. Next one will be multiples of 6, 1, 2. 2 over 6 times it with 1, 2, right? What you do at the bottom, you do at the top, always. This is the rule, né? Right, so now's the next step. So what is 1 times 6? It will be 6. What is 6 times 2? Will be 12. Comma 1 times 12 will be 12. 1 times 5 will be 5, comma, okay, and then 4 times 3 will be 12, and 3 times 3 will be 9, comma, and 6 times 2 will be 12, and 2 times 2 will be 4. Very easy, né? So this is not hard at all. Okay, so this is the next step. You have to keep it in order always. Don't get it out of order. Otherwise, you will get confused at the last step. Okay. So now we have to arrange it in a better order. Okay. So you will see it's very easy. So you just have to keep track of everything we do now. Okay. So now we're rearranging it. So what is the biggest one? 9 over 12 will be the biggest one. 9 over 12, comma. And then the second biggest one will be 6 over 12. And then the third one will be 5. And the smallest one will be 4. Okay, now don't forget how we did this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, because you're going to have to convert it back. Okay, so I'm just going to make numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so remember, okay, it's very easy. So you say 6 over 12 was, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 6 over 12 was 1, right? So this is the first part. So actually you have to go search for 9 over 12 first, because it's standing first. So you say 9 over 12. 9 over 12 was the third one. So 3 over 4. So that's what you write down. This is the final answer. Okay. 3 over 4, comma. Then you say 6 over 12. 6 over 12 was 1. So 1 is 1 over 2. You understand? I hope so. I really do hope so. Okay. And then the next one will be 5 over 12. 5 over 12 will be 5 over 12, and that was number 2 right here. Okay. Okay, and then the last one is 4 over 12. 4 over 12 is what number was it? It was number 4, and number 4 here was 2 over 6. Okay, and you will get a mark here and here and for each one, if I'm correct. Okay, and then this one, they say you won't get a mark actually for this, but this, if you don't do this, you won't get this. Okay, and then your LCD, you write your LCD down, it was 12, and you will get a mark for this, and that's it. Alright, so it will be a lot of marks. Okay, so don't lose it. Okay, I showed you now. Practice it, practice it, practice it. There's a saying that says practice makes perfect. Okay, and it's true. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and sorry for the long video, but this is a big one. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please leave a comment in the box, and I will check and see if I can do anything about it. Okay, I'm gonna help you guys out. Okay, cheers, have a blessed day. God bless.